Thank
welcome
you.
to the Communicate event. So I would like to ask you, how is your experience so far?
Oh, thank you. My experience so far has been really great. Actually, I am really pleased to be here by interacting with the young students and the experts from industry and faculty. And the environment here is really very good. And I'm seeing the organization of this seminar also is done in a very highly professional manner, though it is powered by the students. So I like to congratulate you for this.
Thank you so much, sir. So I would also like to know what is your opinion about the theme of Communicate 13, that is telecom omnipresence.
The theme telecom omnipresence also is very apt and topical. Everyone knows now telecom has entered in all aspects of our life, and it is the telecom and ICT which is dictating how the people live, work, and play every aspect of life. It is actually impacting, and that is where this theme looks to be very topical.
Okay, thank you, sir. So I would also like to know, what do you think the telecom industry is currently heading towards? Everybody here knows that it is well beyond voice and data now.
Yeah, you are right. Telecom is not only voice, neither it is only voice or data. These are the basic services. But now we have moved in the third layer of telecom, and that is the application services. They call it VAS also, emerging services also, like mobile apps, and so many more and more services over the basic services are coming, because telecom is playing a role in all aspects of life. So it will be basically, the telecom scenario will be dictated by these innovative applications which are enabled by the basic telecom services.
So, what do you think would be the role of students like us, telecom managers like us, and what are the opportunities for us in the industry?
Oh yeah, you have a great role to play actually. You are living in the interesting times of telecom, where the telecom, just to say the least, is in mess at the moment. There is lot of chaos here, and when there is such situation, that is where the challenging role comes for the manager, and they have to play their niche part here. They have to set the system in order, and it is always true that when there is a chaos, the order has to follow, and so that is a great opportunity also. And as more and more applications, innovative applications are coming, so the role of the managers will also increase on the technology side, business side, funding side, and managing the overall ecosystem, and to bring the efficiencies and productivity.
So, what do you think would be the expectations of industry from us?
The expectation from industry will be that you have to solve their immediate problems where they are in. As I mentioned, they are in a big mess at the moment. They need some innovative expertise, the new management skills, the enthusiasm, the passion to get the things right, and that is where the young blood as well as the young uh, experience, who are learning from the experts from the industry, from India and abroad, they have to bring it to the table to get the industry out of the woods where it is at the moment lying.
So, any particular suggestions you would want to give us?
The suggestion, actually, unfortunately, I have nothing more to add, because you are already doing a great job. And I personally don't feel competent to suggest anything new. Only thing is, and that is my core area, about NGN, the next generation networks.
Yes.
Maybe some of you should develop
Yes.
expertise in the next generation networks, That is the future of telecommunication. That is what makes the telecom system efficient. So if some of you can develop the expertise, that is what I can add from my side, but you are already doing a great job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for taking out your valuable time and coming here.
So thank you. It was a great opportunity interacting with you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.